Hello again, everyone. Welcome back, my YouTube friends. I have some more progress on the wolf quilt. I will put it in fast motion though, just so it's not too long and not too involved, just so you can see what I've done so far. I've been making a bit of progress. That is the bottom of the quilt top. That piece at the bottom there is charcoal of the background. And that is a nose. This is the middle part of the quilt. And up at the top also is charcoal. That is the background. That is most of the wolf's left ear. Well, the right side of the quilt top, but the wolf's left ear. You get the idea.
These three pattern pieces form one of the wolf's eyes. There are pattern pieces for the other eye, obviously, that I will get to eventually when I do the other side of the quilt.
I cannot sew these pieces together yet because I have to assemble piece 40 and it gets sewn here. But I'll flip these around so you can kind of see what the wolf's eye looks like. And I started working on his other eye because these pieces have small bits of fabric, so I was using up scraps from what I already cut. Eventually, that's kind of what the eye will look like. After getting a lot more foundation paper piecing done and putting patterns together, some of the pattern pieces only have one fabric though, like that one for example. So this is piece 23 to piece 43. And I will sew them together as per the assembly diagram. This big piece from 16 to 22 gets sewn to 23 and 24 attached together, and it looks like that. Now I have added the chunk of piece 25 and 26 sewn together. I got the pieces that I had assembled all kind of together. So this whole chunk with the eye, this bit, and this bit. Now, I'm not going to do it right away, but next this piece goes onto this piece, and then sew this to that. The rest of it stays as is for a while, because what I have to make next is a big triangular piece that goes down here that is the rest of the wolf's face. Most of those pieces are not requiring assembly. They're one largish piece of fabric with a pattern piece on top. So we just have to pin it down, baste around, and trim it to size. And eventually sew them together, obviously. So for right now, this is going to stay as is, and at some point I will sew these together. The next video you will see for this quilt is probably just going to be the whole top done. Because I don't think I need to show you any more about how to do this. You get the idea. Thanks for hanging in there.